Testing, testing, 1, 2. What's up, guys? Today is August the 9th of 2018. Roughly 8:51 Central Time, AM. I'm going to go over the Aussie real quick. It'll be a short video. A lot has been going on. I'm liking it. But before we do that, we need to do some housekeeping with the video disclaimer. Please pause the video and read it for yourself. All right, let's minimize this. Let's look at the dollar. The dollar. In order to kind of get a gauge on what's going on with this Aussie, we got to look at what's going on with the dollar. We look at the daily, and you can see that it's bullish, but it's kind of losing his momo. Let me get all this stuff from TraderView. It's losing his momo. Resistance at 95.51. We made a high right here. What is this? Get this out of the way. 95.65, and we're just kind of going sideways. This is the 50. This is the 100. So it's bullish. But we're kind of stalling out here. If we go into the 30-minute, you can see that right here, we're right at the 50, just going back and forth. So keep an eye on the dollar. If the dollar starts selling, something happens. I don't know what it is that's going to happen, but whatever it is that people are just going to get rid of the dollar, then Aussie and the other pairs could start moving and get out of this consolidation. And gold. Crude is in a cycle down. Very overbought. So we'll see on that. So let's get into the Aussie. So look at this. Look at this action, man. This is amazing. Look at this price action. So we have our trend line going down. These are my alerts, by the way. We got our trend line going down from January the 26th, kissing here on the 6/6, June 6 high. And look. Hold on. Let's make this bigger. Look at where it kissed it right here. And then on top of that, this green dotted line is the 45-degree 1x1 angle, which I call this the big kahuna. This is the level that I'm watching, that once Aussie gets above it, I'm going long. This is great right here. This whole area right here is great for scalping. If you're good at scalping, you could have been killing it. Just sell at the top, buy at the low, sell at the top, buy at the low, sell at the top, buy, and you just would have been killing it. Right here, you just would have been killing it. But this is not going to last forever, and we're kind of getting close. The Elliott guys are saying this is wave 5 right here. So that's a plus for the bulls. We're consolidating. Statistically, some things didn't pan out, but we're still marching on. If we zoom out, you can see, let me get out, you can see that this is the big kahuna, and we're fighting that right here. If we can hold that and there's a massive sell-off, then we're going to maybe we could retest this low of here, 71.65, or even go all the way as low as 68.26 right here. I don't know if that's going to happen. Look at the monthly candles. Look how they're looking. Look at that. Undecided. The month of July. Bears pushed us all the way down here. Bulls went up here. We kind of closed right here. And look at this. Massive wicks. Something is cooking, guys. Something is cooking. And you can see right here. This is the line that we're watching. Let's go back to the daily, and you can see, get it right here. So the game plan I have is that long term is that once it gets above here, and it could be this week or maybe next week, I am going to go long. This right here is 80 degrees from this low. So once it gets even above there, then you really have some confidence. The cycles, the forecasting models I have are showing that it's going down, but it kind of inverted. It's weird. So this was lost motion right here on the 6. On the 7, it popped and then came down. And then look at that buying pressure. They popped it up. And the one model was saying that there was going to be a swing low between 8, 9. But then kind of things shifted. And then it was 9, 10. You could probably look at my swing low 9, 10. And the original one was 9, 10 pretty much. Everything was 9, 10 for a swing low, but things got inverted. So we should see if this is the swing top and it's going to push lower for today and tomorrow. But if it doesn't push any lower, we may have to move this over here. See what happens. This will be too tight. If it pushes lower, you could probably find support. I haven't done target yet on this, but I'm just showing you that it's respecting that line right there, and this trend line. So this is major resistance right here. Major resistance. So I'm expecting, if the models are right, it's going to go down today and tomorrow. And then we'll see for next week. Now, if it goes up, if it's, something happens with the dollar or whatever could happen, with Trump or the tariffs or something, and the dollar just starts tanking, then this could just reverse today or tomorrow. And if we take out that 1 by 1 45-degree angle right here, which that will probably... that angle right there with this trend line is 74.53. And tomorrow, anything above 74.50, then you could just watch out for resistance here, here, and obviously here, the 180 degree, which is 74.90. Now, if we blow up to here, come down, find support, kind of chop around, and then take this out, then that's it. We're going up. We're going up. First target will be this right here, 76.70. That's going to be your big resistance, and that's your 200% level right here. So that's that. If we go over here and look at I call it the three amigos. These are my trending system. You can see that on the monthly, it's still negative. Nothing positive there. Let's clean it up. See, nothing positive. On the weekly, I like. Things are kind of shifting a little here. I like this on the weekly. Candles are all red, so nothing positive there. A few of them with the Hekanashi is giving me the heads up signal, like watch it. A turn could be possible here, like here. July was signaling that, but it didn't happen. Here was signaling that. The 23rd wasn't happening the week. And this week is signaling it again. But the moving average is still negative. But the base is still holding. Got the 50% level right here, 74.80. And you got this 61.8, which is a 73.17, which is holding right here. And then if you look at the daily, you can see that the moving average just turned green. It's still kind of choppy here. Is my trending thing on here? Let's see. Yeah, it's still on. Yeah, so you see there's a lot of head fakes. A lot of back and forth, a lot of back and forth. So right now, things are green. Buy signal, but I'm not taking this buy signal yet. I'm waiting because the models are forecasting is going to go lower. But if that doesn't pan out, and we take out that 7450 that I showed you earlier, that one by one, then I'm going to go long because you already crossed the trend line. You're over resistance, and that's where it's going to get bullish. So I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the Aussie. Make some pips.